This is example 1.4, and our first question asks, how many inches are in 20.12 centimeters? So we're going to start by making our first number a fraction, and then we're going to use our unit fraction. Now remember that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. That means we can make a fraction that equals 1 by putting 1 inch on top and 2.54 centimeters on bottom, or vice versa. In this case, we're going to multiply this by something, and we want centimeters to be on the bottom because then we can cancel out our centimeters, and we want inches to be on the top. So let's take our conversion factor from up here and line it up. So 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. For this, we're just going to put it into our calculator. So 20.12 divided by 2.54, and we get that really long number. So before we write that down, let's look at our original number. We're not going to worry about how many significant digits is in our unit conversion fraction because that has been defined as being exact. It goes out so far that we could pretend that it's 1.000000000 over 2.54000000. So it has more significant figures than any of the others. So the only number we have to worry about is 20.12. So that has 4 significant digits. So we're going to go back to our calculator and pull 4 digits, maybe 5 in case we need to round. So 7.921, that would be 4. Does the 2 after it mean round up or no? No, it does not. So we're just going to keep 7.921. 921. And because our centimeters canceled out, we're left with the unit of inches. So that's our final answer. In the second one, we're doing the other way. It says an Apple iPhone 6 Plus has a length of 6.22 inches. What is the length in centimeters? So this time we're going the other way. We're going to take 6.22 inches, and we're going to turn that into a fraction by putting it over 1, and then we're going to multiply. You can put it a little x or a little star or a little dot, or you can use parentheses like that, however you like to multiply. We're going to multiply it by something. This time we want inches to be on the bottom, so that will cancel. And we want centimeters to be on top. So again, we just take our unit conversion and we fill in the blanks. So 1 goes down here and 2.54 goes up here. Our inches will cancel, leaving us with just centimeters. And we can just type this into our calculator. So 6.22 times 2.54, and we get 15.7988. Now we know that we probably don't need all those digits. That's probably more precise than is accurate. We're multiplying, so we know we just count the number of significant figures. Again, our conversion factor does not count. I'm not even going to cover it up with the calculator. The only number that counts is the number that's a measured number, 6.22. That has 3 significant figures, so we only need 3 significant figures in our answer. So we have 15.7988. 157, that would give us 3 significant digits, but the number right after the 7 is a 9, which means it's going to round up. So our answer will be 15.8 from the rounding. 15.8. And because our inches canceled, we're in centimeters. And that is our final answer for that problem.